morning and welcome to this video. So if you see this numerical very carefully, you have a plane which is moving towards east, which is from A to B, and then this plane is being subjected to a wind velocity. The wind velocity is downwards, so you can see the diagram. If you analyze this, if the wind velocity gets added to the velocity of the plane will not be able to reach the point B. But because the wind velocity gets added, the plane will finally reach the point D. And our aim is that the plane should reach the point B. So the way to solve these numerical is to think about the part of the velocity which is creating problem for you. Now if you look into this numerical very carefully, what is creating trouble for you is the wind velocity. So what we do as a strategy is we start flagging the plane in a direction so that one of the component of plane velocity is in opposite direction to the wind velocity, right? So the wind velocity and the plane velocity will cancel out and only horizontal component of the plane velocity will be left. So our aim in these numericals is always to cancel out the velocity which is creating trouble for us. For that we divide the motion in x and y and then see which part of the motion is creating problem, and then we cancel it out using the concept of relative motion. Thank you.